Big Block Bob here with your race week update. The Fessler Racing Engine 496 that I campaign has no oil, but it has bearings and it doesn't have any metal in it, so we're good to go. We're going to slap this dude in tomorrow during my lunch hour. Helper Bobby extraordinaire over here, picking up the pace these last few days as we get down to crunch time. So, the engine was not nearly as bad as it could have been. I can't believe for potentially 10 minutes of no oil that we didn't destroy the crank or require even a polish, really. I mean, it was in very, very, very good shape. And, I mean, he may have polished it without telling me he polished it. I don't know. I wasn't at Shane's all day. But the bearings got here today. We spent all night putting it together. It's like 3:30 in the morning. We had to get some Jack in the Box on the way home because Taco Bell closed. What's that about? People are trying to eat. So anyway, there's the Jack in the Box cup there. We hope to have this bad boy in during the lunch hour tomorrow. And making some noise maybe by dinner. I don't know. We'll see what Bobby can accomplish. I got to work a full day for the man. So once that's over, I'm going to hop to it. Might have some friends come by and give us a hand. And hopefully, I got to get a trailer tomorrow too. So that's another thing I got to get done. We wanted to leave basically 24 hours from right now. And we don't even have an engine in the car. So our schedules are going to be adjusted. And the first track's in Denver, of course, so we're going to stay outside of Denver the first couple days. We're going to try to get there no later than Sunday. And then I'm going to work Monday remotely because I can do that, thankfully. And then Tuesday is Rocky Mountain Race Week. And we're either coming for the naturally aspirated group or we're coming at the 10-0 class. But if we do 10-0, we're going to have to hit it with the nitrous. So that mountain, I tell you what, it humbles me. So, stay tuned if you want. I'd appreciate it. I'll give another update as we get closer to getting this thing going for Rocky Mountain. See ya.